All right, let's solve this problem together. Before we move on, I want to make a short warning. You need to be cautious about doing something for list when you are iterating through this list. Let's say we make a list of 10 numbers like this. And we want to iterate through the items inside this list like this. And if we change or do something on this list, like remove this item, and it's not going to work as you expected because the iteration is going to be ruined. So although we want to remove all the items inside this num list by calling this remove method and remove this item, when we actually print this num list, it's going to be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So whenever you want to do something on the list, do not iterate through this list. All right. You rather make a new list, or you can access the items inside this list using indexes. Okay. So that is one caution I want to make. And when you do this kind of thing, this will raise an error in other languages like C or C++. It is not allowed. However, Python, it is allowed, but it is a very dangerous operation. And sometimes you might not be able to debug your code because it seems right when you first have a look at this code. All right. So please do not use this kind of iteration and removing items inside this list like this. All right. This iteration is going to be ruined. All right. There are many ways to implement this C function. And one of the nice ways is to make a set of all numbers like this. And we're going to remove all the multiple of this I from this prime set. We could discard or remove like this and return prime set like this. However, this one is very naive and not efficient. However, we can make it very efficient using this implementation because number n is going to be root of n times square root n. So one of the multiple is going to be smaller than root n. So we don't have to check all the numbers, but we just need to check the multiple of root n like this. So this is one of the ways we can make this code efficient.